So I'm making this video because someone says she's interested on knowing how to make use of this particular platform, in knowing, yeah, how to make use of it. So this particular platform, I'm going to be leaving the link to my group in the description box so you can join. Okay, now this particular app, now this is everything you need to know about it. And you come to this place now, you see here, let's start with this place, or let's start with here. Now as you can see here, this thing that says message video match. Okay, this is the place where you go live. Okay, you go live, you're online working. For instance, if I should type here now and start matching, people are going to be calling me, but I don't want that. Okay, let me just off it. I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose only. Okay, so let me off this. Okay, so you come to this place, you see messages. All right, this person says thank you, and I guess the app sent message to him which he said thank you. So all you need to do is tap you're welcome, or you can say anything that is going to make him reply. Okay, let's say you're welcome. Where are you chatting from? Remember that once you are in this particular app, you need to make sure people are replying you. Okay, so that your coins are going to be increasing. Like before it was 54, now it has entered 55. So you get coin. See, he have replied me Nigeria. So nature. Oh, okay, sorry guys, I need to like reply for this particular, just to show you how it works. Okay, so all you need to do is keep the conversation going. Okay, I don't know who the person is and all that, but you have to keep the conversation going. Then you come to your salary bonus. I don't know if I've gone to that particular place. And your core price, this is where you see your core price. Okay, you can also edit it later once you enter to another level. I guess it's level B or level C, level B or level A. There you can change it. Then let's go over to this is where you see your messages. This is where you see your moment. Okay, this is where you see your moment. So on this moment now, here is where you post your pictures. You post attractive pictures, your moments, like anything that, just like posting on Facebook and all that. You get, just like posting on Facebook, then people who like you are going to comment. Some are even going to give to you, and some are going to come to your live streaming once they like your picture. Okay, it's not just men, even for women. Okay, then this place is where you see your live streaming, people who are online streaming. Like all these people are streaming online. Okay, so you come to your live streaming, like this place now, you see where it says my room, and it has random. So this place on my room, you can come here and type on anything you want to. Like you can delete this, you can say play games. Okay, you can say anything you want in your live streaming. All right, so this is it. So once you tap on it, then you tap on start, then you go over to live streaming. Then you come to this place. This place is where you send hi messages. Okay, you send this hi to people. So once you send hi to the people, they are going to reply you, and that is how you make money chatting. Okay, once you keep that conversation going, if you keep the conversation going, you get your money. All right, so this is all about this particular app, and I would have said a lot about this app, but once you want to log into this app, okay, for you to log into this app as a host, you need an invitation code. Okay, you need an invitation code. See, this person is also has been replying me because of what I just told him. You see, so if you go there now, you keep the conversation going. It is clear that is reading. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you have logged in into this particular application now, you are going to see over here, before you get this place, before you see here, there's some here now, right here, you're going to see invitation code. So that invitation code is what you're going to be imputing. If you impute that invitation code, you are going to be like, you're going to see this particular dashboard like this. But if you don't impute it, what will happen is that people are going to be calling you. People will be calling you on this particular app. Now let me also show you something. You see this place where you see my name, you come over to this place. Okay, come over to this place and tap. You see it's going to take you to this particular interface, right? So this place you're going to be putting pictures, your pictures. Okay, this is where you're going to sit. Before, I have done a lot of things about this place. Like, I've done all this, so I would have done this video here. So now this is where you're going to be putting your 3 pictures as a first time host. Okay, you put your 3 pictures here. Find pictures. Okay, so you come here, you write your nickname, you come here, you write your date of birth. Then here, now this is why people are not getting match calls. Okay, you come here, you see where it says gender. Please and please come here and tap on it. You can only change it once. After, as you can see, they said that I can only change it once, I cannot change it again. So if your gender remains male, you're not going to like n. Okay, so what you need is your gender to be female. Then you come to this place where it says occupation, your education level. If you want to put anything, you can put. I didn't put anything, as you can see. Then you can select your tag. You can tag anything you want to tag. Then you're going to be doing a 10 seconds video. Okay, I just did this video myself, so you're going to be doing a 10-second video of yourself. Just make it 10 seconds. Anything above 10 seconds won't be approved. Okay, so then you now wait for your match calls. This is where you wait for match calls. Like I said, online, you wait for your match calls. If someone matches with you, the first person that matches with you, you are going to like they are going to allow you to enter into live streaming. Because if you haven't been verified with that person's, like someone knowing that is a real you, okay, you are not going to be getting viewed, or like you're not going to go into live streaming and all that. I have not go Asaba before. I just did on a chat, the hustling. Oh my god. So this is just to keep this conversation going. All right, this is just make sure that that person is interested in chatting with you. So this is all about this particular app. If you have any question in the comment section, let me know. And if you're interested to joining agency on this particular app is Fogo app. Before it was Iwee app. Now is Fogo. Okay, so you can join the app. I'm going to be leaving my agency link in the description box. So if you haven't worked on live streaming app before, I'm going to be dropping my Telegram. So for first timers who haven't done calling apps before, please join that particular one. Then for those who have done live streaming before, that are hosting other apps, I want to join this particular app, I'm going to be leaving my group link to you. So you just go into that particular group. It's for serious people only. If you are not serious, don't join. This is why I'm saying it, because I'm going to remove you in a twinkle of an eyeball. So this is all for this particular. Don't forget to hit that subscription button if you found this video helpful. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.